Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Snake Pit number 1 puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey. This is his logo. The difficulty level of the puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all 8 pieces into the frame. If you take a closer look at the pieces, you will find that they look a little bit like a standing cobra. That's why the puzzle has its name. And at the first glance, the pieces look exactly the same, but if you organize all of the parts, you will find that we have 2 different shapes, and they are the mirror projection of each other. So if you take a look at this and these pieces, they are almost exactly the same, but in the mirror. And the objective, as I told you, is to fit all of them inside the frame, which has restrictions. There is acrylic piece on this and this side of the frame. That means that you can't use this part to fit pieces inside. You can use only the opening right in the middle, and that makes it a little bit harder to figure out the solution of the puzzle. If you like the Snake Pit number 1 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of the puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to fit parts inside the frame. First of all, we have to put the parts together in such a way that we will create 4 similar shapes. So if I put 2 pieces like this, that's going to be one of the shapes. This will be another one. That looks quite nice. And now I think that I can put it on top. That's good. We have a half of the shape assembled. Then we can put all these parts together again, but you can't put 2 exactly the same pieces. You have to grab 2 opposite parts, and the last one will look like this, and we put it right in here. So as you can see, we were able to create 2 similar shapes that comes together, or 4 quite similar pieces. Now we have to find a way how to fit them inside the frame. And as you can see, if we take a look at the pieces from here, when they are inside the frame, we will be able to remove this piece, then this piece, then we can slide this piece to the left and remove it, this to the right and remove it, and then we will be able to remove the rest of the pieces. So let's try to do that. With the rest pieces, it will be a little bit challenging, since you have to find the correct way how to do that. So let's put these parts inside. The next one will be this piece that goes inside the frame. Now reorganize the pieces in the correct way. You don't have to rotate them inside. That was by accident. And now the last piece goes inside and here. That is how it looks now, and we have to fit the rest pieces. This goes inside and to the right. This goes here. This piece goes inside and to the left, and the last piece goes right in here, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, all pieces are inside and they don't stick out, and all of them are below the acrylic piece. So that was the solution of the Snake Pit number 1 by Yavuz Demirhan. If you like this puzzle, or you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Yavuz Demirhan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.